Hello friends, welcome back to Do Not Get It Right with Savan Kumar. And what are we not getting right today is we are not going to do anything ever for money. We are not going to do anything ever for money. Money, a weird thing, right? Everybody of us, each one of us is doing everything for money. And I am saying that do not do anything for money. Yes, do not do anything for money. Doing anything only for money or doing anything for money is what the average people do, is what the middle class people do. Do you want to be average or you want to be the best? If you want to be the best, stop loving money. Stop doing everything or anything just for money. Do not. Stop doing that. If you think money is the motivation, if you think that by doing this you want to make some money, then you would never ever be able to make money. You have to stop doing it for money. You have to stop working to make money. You have to stop doing anything with the objective of making money. And why do I say so? See, if we had been doing everything for money, then we would have never found time to work on ourselves. If we always work to make more and more and more money, then we would try to give maximum hours to something that will give us money quickly, immediately. That is, we will sell ourselves as a product. We sell ourselves as a product and we want money in return. Whenever we do anything for money, that is how what it is. We become a product and we sell ourselves and we want money in return. And slowly what happens is we stop doing anything by which we do not get money. So what that leads us to is we stop adding value to ourselves. We stop adding a new skill to ourselves because we find that working on building a new skill or knowing something new is not going to get me paid immediately. Why should I be doing that? Why should I be spending on that? Why should I be spending on myself? Why should I be investing on myself? Because I am not getting any return from there. Why should I be investing on my time on that? So what I do is, for maybe 8, 10, 12, 15 hours, I only work to earn money, to make money. And that is where the average people are. That is how the average people are. And if you want to go beyond that, if you want to go above that, then you have to stop working for money. You have to figure out the way how you can love whatever you are doing. You have to love whatever you are doing. You do not have to do because you have to earn money, but you have to love whatever you are doing. Do not confuse it with doing what you love, but it is loving what you do. If you start loving what you do, if you start loving what you do, money will follow. Why will the money follow? Because when you love what you do, you are going to do it really well. And when you do it really well, money will come. Money will automatically come. It is said somewhere, I heard it somewhere, somebody saying that you are never paid well. You are either paid less than what you deserve or you are paid much more than what you deserve. You will never be paid at par. You will always be either paid too less than what you deserve or too much higher than what you deserve. And why is that disparity? That disparity comes from the set of people. People who are getting paid low is because they are not loving what they do. And people who are getting paid high is because they are loving what they do. Have you seen the most successful people? The richest people on the earth? Have you seen them? Have you heard of them? Do you know that they still work? Even after being the richest person, they should not be working to earn money anymore. They have enough of it. Their generations can maybe live and try to spend it all, but they won't be able to. They have so much of money, but why do they still work? What makes them going? What keeps them going? What makes them work? Their love to work. Their love to work. That is what they love to do, and money has happened to them. They never went out to earn money. They started loving what they did, and money just happened to them. And when money happens, it would happen in huge numbers. It would come from anywhere and everywhere. From the most unexpected sources, you will see money coming to you if you start loving what you do. So the tip for the day is that you have to start loving what you do, and you do not have to do because you have to make money out of it. Stop thinking of money when you are doing anything. Start loving whatever you are doing, and to do it better, you will always need to upskill yourself, invest in yourself, give yourself more time, and become better every single day. That is what happens when you start loving whatever you do. But if you only do it for money, you become extremely money minded, and you only do things when you get paid for it. And when you get paid for it, you never upskill, you never invest in yourself, you never give it a lot of time. So get back to the point and start loving whatever you do, and stop thinking of money. Wish you all the best. Have a great and a wonderful evening.